What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is a cooking program.
What kind of programs do you usually watch?
I usually watch news and dramas.
What time do you usually watch TV?
I usually watch TV at night after dinner.
How many hours do you spend watching TV every day?
I spend about 2 hours watching TV every day.
Where do you usually watch TV?
I usually watch TV in the living room.
Who do you usually watch TV with?
I usually watch TV with my family.
What do you usually eat while watching TV?
I usually eat popcorn while watching TV.
What kind of movies do you like on TV?
I like action movies on TV.
What channel do you watch most often?
I watch the sports channel most often.
What was the last program you watched?
The last program I watched was a travel show.
What do you usually watch on weekends?
I usually watch movies on weekends.
Who chooses the programs in your house?
My father usually chooses the programs in our house.
What do you learn from watching TV?
I learn about different countries and cultures from watching TV.
What kind of news do you watch on TV?
I watch world news on TV.
What cartoon did you like as a child?
I like Tom and Jerry as a child.
What is your favorite sports program?
My favorite sports program is cricket matches.
What do you usually do during TV commercials?
I usually talk or check my phone during TV commercials.
What channel shows your favorite drama?
My favorite drama comes on ARY Digital.
How often do you watch TV at night?
I watch TV at night almost every day.
What do you usually watch in the morning?
I usually watch the morning news in the morning.
Who is your favorite TV actor?
My favorite TV actor is Fawad Khan.
What do you usually do while watching TV?
I usually relax on the sofa while watching TV.
What TV show makes you laugh the most?
Comedy shows make me laugh the most.
What channel do you watch for music?
I watch MTV for music.
What is your favorite drama on TV?
My favorite drama is Humsafar.
How often do you watch sports on TV?
I watch sports on TV 3 times a week.
What do you usually watch before sleeping?
I usually watch a short show before sleeping.
Who is your favorite TV host?
My favorite TV host is Fahad Mustafa.
What do you usually do if the TV stops working?
I usually read a book if the TV stops working.
What TV show do you never miss?
I never miss the weekly talk show.
How do you feel when you watch a sad drama?
I feel emotional when I watch a sad drama.
What kind of reality shows do you watch?
I watch singing reality shows.
What do you usually watch when you're bored?
I usually watch cartoons when I am bored.
Who is your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Doraemon.
What do you usually do when watching sports?
I usually cheer loudly when watching sports.
What kind of TV programs does your mother like?
My mother likes cooking shows.
What kind of TV programs does your father like?
My father likes watching the news.
How often do you watch movies on TV?
I watch movies on TV once or twice a week.
What is your favorite movie on TV?
My favorite movie on TV is Avengers.
How do you feel when your favorite show ends?
I feel sad when my favorite show ends.
What do you usually watch with your friends?
I usually watch cricket matches with my friends.
What program do children watch most?
Children mostly watch cartoons.
What do you usually do if you miss a show?
I usually watch the repeat if I miss a show.
What do you like about TV?
I like that TV gives entertainment and information.
What do you dislike about TV?
I dislike the long commercials on TV.
What kind of comedy shows do you like?
I like stand-up comedy shows.
What do you usually watch on holidays?
I usually watch long movies on holidays.
How do you feel when you watch a scary movie?
I feel nervous when I watch a scary movie.
Who watches the most TV in your house?
My younger brother watches the most TV in my house.
What program do you usually watch after school?
I usually watch cartoons after school.
What do you usually talk about after watching TV?
I usually talk about the story of the show after watching TV.
How do you feel when your team wins on TV?
I feel very happy when my team wins on TV.
How do you feel when your team loses on TV?
I feel disappointed when my team loses on TV.
What do you usually do if you get bored with TV?
I usually change the channel if I get bored with TV.
What kind of educational shows do you like?
I like science and discovery shows.
What do you usually do when watching the news?
I usually listen carefully when watching the news.
What is your favorite travel program on TV?
My favorite travel program is National Geographic.
How often do you watch late night shows?
I watch late night shows once a week.
What kind of morning shows do you like?
I like health and fitness morning shows.
What do you usually watch during dinner?
I usually watch a drama during dinner.
Who controls the remote in your house?
My father usually controls the remote in our house.
What do you usually watch when guests come?
We usually watch news when guests come.
How do you feel when you watch an exciting match?
I feel very energetic when I watch an exciting match.
What is your favorite talk show?
My favorite talk show is Capital Talk.
What do you usually watch on Eid holidays?
I usually watch Eid special shows on Eid holidays.
What do you usually do while waiting for a show?
I usually check my phone while waiting for a show.
Who is your favorite news anchor?
My favorite news anchor is Kamran Khan.
How often do you watch documentaries?
I watch documentaries twice a month.
What kind of cooking shows do you like?
I like baking shows.
What do you usually watch when it rains?
I usually watch movies when it rains.
How do you feel when you see old dramas?
I feel nostalgic when I see old dramas.
What do you usually do during sports breaks?
I usually drink water during sports breaks.
What do you usually watch with your grandparents?
I usually watch news with my grandparents.
How often do you watch reality shows?
I watch reality shows every weekend.
What is your favorite music program?
My favorite music program is Coke Studio.
What do you usually watch during Ramadan?
I usually watch Ramadan transmissions during Ramadan.
What do you usually do while changing channels?
I usually stop when I find something interesting.
How do you feel when you watch a funny show?
I feel very happy when I watch a funny show.
What is your favorite kids program?
My favorite kids program is Sesame Street.
What do you usually do when watching long dramas?
I usually sit with snacks when watching long dramas.
How do you feel when you watch a love story?
I feel touched when I watch a love story.
What kind of ads do you like on TV?
I like funny ads on TV.
What kind of ads do you dislike on TV?
I dislike very long ads on TV.
What do you usually watch on national holidays?
I usually watch parades and speeches on national holidays.
Who explains TV programs to you?
My brother explains TV programs to me.
What do you usually watch when guests are kids?
We usually play cartoons when guests are kids.
What do you usually watch when you are tired?
I usually watch a light comedy when I am tired.
How do you feel when you watch travel shows?
I feel excited when I watch travel shows.
What do you usually watch during breakfast?
I usually watch the news during breakfast.
What is your favorite channel for cartoons?
My favorite channel for cartoons is Cartoon Network.
How do you feel when you miss your favorite show?
I feel sad when I miss my favorite show.
What do you usually watch during family time?
We usually watch dramas during family time.
What kind of drama do you dislike?
I dislike very long dramas.
What do you usually do when a boring show comes?
I usually switch channels when a boring show comes.
How do you feel when you watch an inspiring story?
I feel motivated when I watch an inspiring story.
What do you usually watch on special events?
I usually watch live events on special occasions.
What is your favorite game show?
My favorite game show is Judo Pakistan.
What do you usually do after watching a movie?
I usually talk about the story after watching a movie.
How do you feel when you watch old cartoons?
I feel happy when I watch old cartoons.
What do you like most about watching TV?
I like relaxing and enjoying stories the most about watching TV.